In this video, I explain the most important 2 marks problems from the chapter quadratic expressions. Now this is the first model. Find the roots of the equation x square minus 7x plus 12 is equals to 0. Now we solve this equation directly by taking the factorization. So already we know that the factors of this equation are x square minus 3x minus 4x plus 12 is equals to 0. That is, taking x common here, x into x minus 3 minus 4 into x minus 3 equals to 0. That is, x minus 4 into x minus 3 equals to 0. Therefore, the roots are x minus 4 is equals to 0 means x is equals to 4, and here x minus 3 is equals to 0 means x is equals to 3. Roots are 4, 3. That's all. Now coming to the second problem, this is 2x square plus 3x plus 2 is equals to 0, and there is no factors to this equation. So to find the roots of this equation, just we apply the formula, that is x is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here the values of ABC are a is equals to 2, b is equals to 3 and c is equals to 2. Now replacing the values here, x is equals to minus b minus 3 plus or minus square root of b square 3 square, that is 9 into 4 into 2 into 2 by 2a, 2 into 2, that is 4, which implies x is equals to minus 3 plus or minus 9 minus 16 root minus 7 by 4. Therefore the value of x is equals to minus 3 plus or minus I root 7 by 4. Now these are the roots of the equation. And the next problem, root 3x square plus 10x minus 8 root 3 is equal to 0. Here also we apply the formula. So first we write the formula, x is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. ABC is equals to root 3 10 minus 8 root 3. Therefore x is equals to minus 10 plus or minus square root of b square 100 minus 4 into a value root 3 into c value minus 8 root 3, that is minus of minus plus 8 root 3 by 2a, 2 root 3, and this is equals to minus 10 plus or minus square root of 100 plus 4 into 8 32, 32 into 3 96, 96 by 2 root 3, and this is equals to minus 10 plus or minus square root of 196, that is 14 by 2 root 3, and this is equals to minus 10 plus 14, that is 4 by 2 root 3, and minus 10 minus 14 minus 24 by 2 root 3, and this is 2 by root 3, and the second answer is minus 12 by root 3. That's all. These are the roots. Next problem, form the quadratic equation whose roots are given as m by n comma minus n by m. So we want to form the quadratic equation. First we are taking these two values are alpha comma beta, that is alpha is equals to m by n and beta is equals to minus n by m. Now first we are finding the value of alpha plus beta, that is alpha plus beta is equals to m by n minus n by m, which is equals to m square minus n square by mn. And next we take the value of alpha beta. Alpha beta is equals to m by n into minus n by m, which returns the value minus 1. Therefore the equation to find the quadratic equation with roots alpha comma beta is x square minus x into alpha plus alpha beta equals to 0. Now we are replacing the values here, that is x square minus x into alpha plus beta, which is m square minus n square by mn minus 1 equals to 0. Taking LCM, we get the answer as mn x square minus x into m square minus n square minus mn is equals to 0. That's all. This is the answer. Next problem, form the quadratic equation whose roots are given as 7 plus or minus 2 root 5. Here also first we take that alpha is equals to 7 plus 2 root 5 and the value beta is equals to 7 minus 2 root 5, and we are substituting these two values in the formula. Before that, first we are finding the values of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. So alpha plus beta is equals to 7 plus 2 root 5 plus 7 minus 2 root 5, which is equals to 14, and alpha into beta is equals to 7 plus 2 root 5 into 7 minus 2 root 5, and this is equals to, which is in the form of a plus b into a, which is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, 7 square 49 minus 2 root 5 whole square, 4 into 5 20, which returns the value 29. Therefore the equation is the formula x square minus x into alpha plus alpha beta equals to 0. That is x square minus 14x plus 29 equals to 0. That's all. Next problem. Find the nature of the roots of the equation without finding the roots. So here the given equation is 2x square minus 8x plus 3 is equals to 0. So to find the nature of the roots, first we take the value of delta. Delta means discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac equals to, here b is equals to minus 8. 64 minus 4 into ac, 2 into 3. And this is 64 minus 24 equals to 40. So delta greater than 0. B square minus 4 is greater than 0. So the roots are real and distinct values. Problem x square minus 12x plus 32. So here also first we find the value of delta. Delta is equals to b square minus 4ac and this is equals to b square 144 minus 4 into 1 into 32. 4 into 32. And this is 144 minus 128 equals to 16. 16 is equals to 4 square greater than 0 and it is a perfect square. So delta greater than 0 and it is a perfect square. So the roots are rational and unequal. Next problem, find the value of m if the equation has equal roots. So this is the given equation given that it has equal roots. So the condition for equal roots is b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. First we compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Then the values of a, b, c are a is equals to m plus 1 and the value of b is equals to 2 into m plus 3 and the value of c is equals to m plus 8. Given that the given equation has equal roots, so equal roots means the condition is b square minus 4ac equals to 0. Equal roots means the condition b square minus 4ac equals to 0. That is b square equals to 4ac. So b square equals to 4ac. Now we are substituting the values. B square, b value 2 into m plus 3, that is 4 into m plus 3 whole square is equals to 4ac. 4 into m plus 1 into m plus 8. Which implies m square plus 9 plus 6m is equals to, now this is m square plus 9m plus 8, that is 9m minus 6m, 3m is equals to 1, then the value of m is equals to 1 by 3, then the value of m is equals to 1 by 3, that's all. Next problem, x square minus 15 minus m into 2x minus 8 is equals to 0. Find the value of m if the given equation has equal roots. First we change this equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. For that first we are multiplying these two values by minus m. And in the next step we write this equation as x square minus 2mx plus 8m minus 15 equal to 0, which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Now we compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Then the values of a, b, c is equals to, a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 2m and c is equals to 8m minus 15. So given that the equation has equal roots, so equal roots means we take that b square minus 4ac equals to 0. That is b square minus 4ac equals to 0, then the value of b square equals to 4ac. Now substituting the values here, b square 4m square is equals to 4ac. 4 into 1 into 8m minus 15, that is m square minus 8m plus 15 equal to 0. By taking the factorization we get m minus 3 into m minus 5 is equals to 0. Therefore the values of m is equals to 3 and 5. Next problem, find the quadratic equation for which the sum of the roots is 7 and sum of the squares of the roots is equals to 25. So given that sum of the roots is equal to 7, sum of the squares of the roots is equal to 25. So first we take the roots as alpha comma beta. Let alpha comma beta be the roots of the equation. Then what is given sum of the roots, that is alpha plus beta is equals to 7. And sum of the squares of the roots, that is alpha square plus beta square is equals to 25. Now we want the quadratic equation. So by using these two values, first we find the value of alpha beta. So here alpha square plus beta square is nothing but alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. This is 25. So already we have that alpha plus beta is equal to 7. So 7 square 49 minus 2 alpha beta is equals to 25. That is 49 minus 25. 24 equals to 2 alpha beta. Then the value of alpha beta is equals to 12. Therefore, the quadratic equation is the formula. Therefore, the quadratic equation is x square minus x into alpha plus alpha beta equals to 0. Now, replacing the values, x square minus 7x plus 12 equals to 0. That's all. Next problem, alpha comma beta are the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Then what are the values of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta and 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square? So given that alpha comma beta are the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Then what is alpha plus beta value? Alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a and alpha into beta is equals to c by a. Now we want to find these two values. So first we are finding the first value, that is 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. Taking LCM we get that this is beta plus alpha by alpha beta, and beta plus alpha is equals to minus b by a, alpha beta c by a. So the answer is equals to minus b by c. And coming to the second case, this is 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square. By taking LCM we get that beta square plus alpha square by alpha square beta square, and this is equals to alpha square plus beta square, that is nothing but alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta by alpha square beta square, which is alpha beta whole square, and this is equals to, replacing the values now, alpha plus beta minus b by a whole square, b square by a square minus 2 into alpha beta value c by a by alpha beta whole square, that is c square by a square. Now taking LCM we get this is b square minus 2ac by a square whole by c square by a square. So the answer is b square minus 2ac by c square. That's all. This is answer.